Hey everyone, welcome to Base44, a vibe coding tool, a no code tool where you can turn all your ideas and prompts into fully functioning apps and websites in minutes. And this is a step by step video showing you exactly how to fully functionalize Base44. Now, here you can either start for free, but if you plan to use a paid plan and subscribe, make sure to sign up using our affiliate link down below. Now, the plans are as follows from free all the way up to elite for $160 a month, but with the most support and ability to scale your app effortlessly. Now, for $20 up to $160, you can get all these amazing features, more credits, unlimited apps, more domains, and integrations with GitHub and the rest. Now, with that, let's start this video. Again, this is Base44. All you really have to do is input a prompt and the AI will make the code for you. Again, no coding necessary. You can build your ideas in minutes. Again, if you're not sure where to start, they provide some sample prompts for you. So let's try one of these. How about this reporting dashboard? So it's applicable for a lot of businesses. So all you have to do is create a dashboard for small business owners. It should track revenue, customer growth, charts filters, and the rest. Now, obviously, the more detailed the prompt, the better. But for now, let's start with this to see exactly what Base44 is capable of. So, enter the prompt, click the enter button, wait for it to build, and send you to another screen. Give it a moment. I'll come back when it's there. Okay, from there, it's going to bring you to this view, this editor basically, where it's going to build the entire preview in real time. So you can see in the left-hand sidebar, it's showing you step by step exactly the plan it's doing. It's giving an overview, the features, the lines of code it's going to build, and especially for developers, it will be more comforting to know the steps it'll take when coding. And you can even access that code later for editing yourself when it's done. Now I'm going to give it a moment and come back, pause the video real quickly, and I'll come back when it's all finished to show you the results of Base44. So as you can see, it finished building the entire application website by itself, all from that one simple short prompt. And you can click here on these things to access the components in the code. Now, it's only available on paid plans to edit the code, but you can see all the code here. You can see from clicking here which part of the code it add. It's very useful for developers. On paid plans, if you upgrade your plan, you're able to edit the code and save it and have it reflect in the preview. Go back to the dashboard, go to the preview. This is the app that it created. Now remember from the original prompt, you wanted to create a business dashboard for small business owners. It shows the total revenue. These are just sample data. Total expenses, net profits, active customers. You can add customers as you want. You can add transaction methods and any recent transactions. And all of these are tracked in these graphs here for the time and month of date. That's just really useful for people wanting to build analytics for their own services or their own businesses, or really any tool at all. And the cool thing about this is not only can you see the step-by-step and how it did it, but if you want to change, personalize the website, or if you made your own prompt, make further edits, you can just type here. So let's say I want to make the color scheme a blue and black modern look. All you have to do is press enter. You can either do it through voice. You can either do the discussion mode where if this discussion mode is on, it's going to plan the prompt first. So if we press enter, it's going to make a plan first without making changes to the code so that you can see exactly what it's going to do. So if you see here in real time, it's trying to configure. Now, sometimes it'll ask you a question, like, would you like me to elaborate components and existing to be changed? And then you can say, can you change the entire design to match that color scheme? You can keep it in discussion mode so you can see exactly the plan it's going to execute. If you want to, you can upload image files and images to give it a a little reference point, or while it's while it's making its plan right now, we can check this AI model. You can either have the automatic model in Base44 where it suggestions for you, or you can manually add builders in the paid plan depending on any subscriptions you have to other AI tools. And for the AI controls, you can add custom instructions to exactly how the AI will code. So you can always say keep dark themes for all the apps. You can have a coding style. You can say put comments in the code, or you can freeze certain files so that the AI will not edit them anymore. So example, I don't want it to edit the scroll area anymore or the slider. Then I can lock that and the AI will not be able to edit it anymore. But for now, let's let it edit as it will. And from here, you can see that it made a plan of what it wanted me to build. And from there, you can just say execute plan and change color scheme. And make sure to turn off the discussion mode and just press enter, or you can even use voice chat, and it's gonna do the changes as you will. So really, it's so powerful because you can do edits at any moment, at any time, with a small limit of the number of credits you have. So really, you're more motivated, more benefited if you upgrade to a bigger plan. Now you can also check this in a mobile view, or you can refresh the website, or you can check the dashboard for the traffic in your website while it's prompting and editing. Now, this dashboard is really just the settings of your application before you publish them. So in this dashboard overview, you can open the app, you can adjust the app visibility, or you can require login access. You can invite users as well directly from this dashboard by basically just an invite link. You can check the user data in your website, like how many users have visited, some other analytics, but you have to publish first, and other data such as transactions and customers, and the domains and other integrations. Now, integrations are locked by the paid plan. There's also some security involved, or you can make your app secure to prevent any data from leaking. You can check the code, as I mentioned, back to dashboard, and then you can add, APIs, connect APIs to this. You can schedule tasks. You can see the logs of all the changes that you made. You can even add authentications, integrations such as database and other settings and templates. So back to the preview. I'm going to pause again and then come back whenever it has finished making the change. Okay, look, as you can see, it made the changes exactly as I specified. I wanted a dark, bluish, modern aesthetic to the color scheme, and it did just so. You can even see all the files that it edited, especially for those developers wanting to see exactly how it was done or make customizations themselves. If you want to customize more, then you can do so through chat, but if you're satisfied, you can publish. The cool thing about this is you can connect this to GitHub if you have a paid plan, and you can even share your app to other people using a URL or an email invitation, and even act as a user to see the let it load for a bit, to see the website how any normal person entering the site would see it as, which is kind of cool. So you can exit the mode. This is more of a testing feature available, and you can monitor as well the activity of the website. Now, if you want to publish, you'll have the domains available here. You can manage that here. If you have your own custom domain, then feel free to put it here. But for now, let's just use the domain automatically provided. Now let's publish the app. And as you can see here, the app is now fully published and ready to send to anyone using the link. You can log in. Let's try logging in. And you can see the fully functioning website app with all the features like adding customers, adding transaction, and the new edited color view is available and is accessible to everyone. So you can really see the power. How quickly that took me just around 5 to 7 minutes to build everything with all the edits and with all the features as needed. And I can change and iterate as I need. It's really cool. Now, if you want to explore more about Base 44, they have documentations as well as more credits available. They have a documentation page here where you can sort of view all of the functions, all of the more grit and nitty, more of the specifics about Base 44, the website, how to do all of the functions related to the app. If you go back to the homepage, they even have documentations for the integrations available here. So you can connect it to Stripe, Salesforce, all these other custom tools and integrations. There are a bunch of app templates available, so you can copy this to your own project, customize as you wish, or use them as is. You can even hire partners available here in this site. These are affiliated partners, and you can even have affiliates and other docs and supports. And there are even apps that you have created here. So you can look at the view here to look at the apps and then edit as needed. So just click on the app and it brings you back to the editing view. And really, there's a lot to explore in the template community in Base 44. So there's really no need to wait anymore. There's a lot of templates available. You can build fast, and you should build today. So what are you waiting for? Use Base 44 to really exemplify and make your DS come to life in just minutes in real time. Now, if you want to sign up, please use our affiliate link down below so that you can get the best benefits out of your Base 44 subscription. If you enjoyed the video, hopefully watch more, and thank you for watching.